Can I have BJ from Na Ko'okolu please come onto the stage?
Aloha mai, kākou Pākahia Pauloa, mahalo ko oko hele ana mai. O au o BJ Okui mai nā Ko'okolu mai. My name is BJ Okui, legal name Baiani Gamit Jr., raised here in Wahiawa, and I am a member of Na Ko'okolu. We are a Hawaiian band focusing on Hawaiian music. Unfortunately, my band members couldn't make it today, so I'm gonna be representing them. To start, I would like to do a chant written by Edith Mackenzie called Ano Ai. This chant is to welcome everybody. Ano ai ko kako mea ho'aki pala ea. Amen na mea hano hano. Ke ho'o hiva hiva ia nei ma koula ea. E hui pui ka vai vai. O ko kako mau kupuna la ea. Iahi pu'u ia kako I ka lokahi. Kanalu I mi a kako mai ka hiki mai la ea. Me ke aloha no kako wapau. Me ke aloha no kako wapau. Now I gotta go bust out my ukulele. So a little bit about myself. I was actually born in the Philippines and then brought here when I was about 6 or 7 months. Raised here my whole life. Went to Wahiawa Elementary, Wahiawa Middle, and just graduated from Leilehua this past year. I grew up listening to Hawaiian music, always did love it. So here I am today, though I never did know that I would be singing Hawaiian music. Anybody know the song E Ku'u Morning Dew? Yeah. That'll be my first song. E ku'u morning dew, alia mai, alia mai. Maliu mai oe, I ka ue hea nei. E kali mai oe, Ia'u nei, Ia'u nei. O au iho no me ke aloha. Vehe mai ke alaula o liliko nei lihau. E ho'ohe helo ana I nei a papalina. I uka o mana I ka iu uhivai. Ma leila no ka ua e pili mauai. Ma leila no ka ua e pili mauai. That was one of the first songs that I learned how to play on the ukulele. I go try to play Kaulu Vehi o Ke Kai. Let me get some water. So how's everybody doing so far? Good. Okay. Mai mana o he pono ke ia. He lipo ai pai ke one hinu la. Vela I kala ke hia e. Mai mana o he pono ke ia. Ho o kohu kohu e That one was written by another Edith Kanako Ole from the Big Island, Ka'u. Song about, going out to the beach, picking limu, fishing, and things like that.